Hi, I'm Alex Sumner. The 15th Enochian key is used in the Golden Dawn to invoke the fire lesser angle of the Earth Watchtower, which is ruled over by Espemnir and Ilpazode. As such, it should usually be preceded by the 5th Enochian call, which invokes Earth generally. Ilas tabonelial part kasaman upua hikis dagdeso adukaos gios cordeso maxmonasibio vibody medjis iadix. Zodakar odzodamran. Oldokik lakwa. Zorj lapzidunoko mad, hoathi ida. So until next time, happy conjuring. And please subscribe to receive further updates.